How about a quick spin around the 2025 Resonate 32B? Couple of quick figures for you, 33.5 feet long. Seatbelts and sleeping for 7, and some pretty cool new tech we're going to run through as I am up here, because one of the things you want on your vacation, no hassles. You want to get to your campsite, you want to set up, you want to go explore and have fun. That's where the touch and go control comes in. So all your controls are going to be right here on your infotainment center. So the black panel that you know and maybe had a love-hate relationship with is gone. From here, check your tank levels, put out your slide, emergency start, water pump from here, or dial in the auto gen start, 4,000 watt gas generator on your Resonate, and you can set your triggers right from here. So everything you need to set up your Resonate right here. There's also 1,000 watt inverter on board that is going to power the plug down below. So when you are piloting up here with that 7.3 liter V8 and just cruising down the road, you have the cruise control set, you're enjoying life. Your passenger can have the flip out dash workstation out. You know, watch a movie, stream something, get some work done, post to the social media sites, whatever you want to do, you can do that. You also have integrated side view cameras for the heated remote mirrors and a backup camera you can keep on at any time, which is great if you have something attached to that 8,000-pound hitch. One-touch leveling jacks are right up here, and then once you're set up, you have the jacks down, you have your slide out. You can swivel these seats around and make this part of your living area. Over here we have our sofa. This is going to give you sleeping and seat belts. It's also right across from the smart TV. Fire up what you want. You also have WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender on board, so you can create your own safe, secure hotspot, tap into nearby Wi-Fi signals, and now you have access to all your favorite shows. You are safe online with all your web browsing and planning out adventures for the next day while you're having breakfast at your dream dinette. Have the phone here on the wireless charger, cup holders here for the ride, child safety tether in back as well. So if you have little ones and you want to start traveling with them at a young age, it's a great way to do it. This also makes into a bed. You just flip the handle, push this down, and away you go. Going to have Tom spin around and show you some of this wonderful decor. This is our Shadow Birch decor with the Malibu Collection cabinets, nice white cabinets, two-tone look, very nice look in your Resonate. That takes us right over here to the kitchen where we find a lot of storage, adjustable shelves in here, and you're going to find all kinds of storage throughout. You have a large storage and garbage can down here, a lot of drawers, all the remotes for your TV and whatnot are in here, and watch that. Soft close, very nice. Pull down sprayer on your sink. You have a rollout cover, large single bowl stainless steel sink, 3-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, great kitchen where you can get everything done. And it's really laid out in a convenient fashion so you can go straight from your 12-volt fridge, which gets cold really, really fast. You set your temperature control up here in the freezer, and then it's right over here. Thermostat for your front AC. There's also going to be one in your back, two 13,500 BTU ACs in your 32B. That takes us back into our bunks. Yep, this is a bunkhouse model. There is a ladder that collapses and stores away, so you're going to have sleeping up top, down here, and you'll notice we also have 110s and the USB ports as well, so if you want to keep your gadgets charged, you can do that. You can also use this for a little bit of storage if you'd rather. It's very nice. Just set whatever you need in there. There's also a privacy shade. And if you do have people in here staying, it's nice because it's right across from the bath. So in the bathroom, this is a corner shower. You have the nice glass door in here, plenty of room on the countertop, a medicine cabinet. There is a macerating system for the toilet, and that is controlled over in your wet bay. There is a little button you press for a macerating system, a really nice feature to have. You have tankless hot water on board your 32B as well. And that takes us into the bedroom where we have a king-size bed, and we know everyone loves to travel with their pets. Well, not everybody, but a lot of us do. And look at that, built-in pet bowl as well, so that's very nice. So if you forget, oh, we forgot the dog dish. That's all right, the Resonate has got you covered. Nice nightstands on each side with charging. USB-A over here on the closet to your left. 3 cabinets up above. Back here, very large closet over here. These are the ladders for your bunk and the over-the-cab bunk as well. Lots of drawers down below. Dresser top, smart TV back here as well. You even have storage back here to store whatever it is you need. Plugs, light switches, and the other thermostat for the rear AC, which is right over the bed, which I think is really nice to have, so you can keep everybody cool in the front and the back, no matter where they are. As we head out, tying into that auto gen start, if you are on the way out and you have everything dialed in, you want to make sure that it is ready to go, all you have to do is press that blue button on your way out, and that will trigger the auto gen start. You can also take a real quick look at your tank levels right here. 100 watts of solar, that's your solar controller. This is going to be the button, the on-off switch for your 1000 watt inverter. Awning in and out, nice awning on here, and your battery 12-volt disconnect switch. So let's go around and take a look at some of our exterior options. We have a lot of exterior storage out here. We're just gonna start opening the bays here. Nice rotocast bays, a little pass-through here. So rotocast is not going to mildew, it's not going to mold, it's not going to get stinky. There is a nice drain in here, so if you throw in all of your gear, you can just throw all the muddy gear in there, then hose it out. We do have a nice steel bumper and a ladder that leads up to the one-piece cross-flex roof. Fresh water connection is over here. Your propane connection is there, so if you pack a grill or a griddle, you can throw it right in there and just hook it up and grill away. Another very large storage bay with a little bit of pass-through. Each bay is going to have its own LED light. 110 plugs right here, those are GFCI. You need to have that generator on for that or be plugged into the 50 amp shore power. Another large bay here, so all kinds of storage in here. Remember, this is a bunkhouse, so you may be traveling with a lot of people, big families. This is the perfect coach for that. And then we get over here. Nice large storage bay. Another bay, batteries and breakers with a pet tie down. Then outside, right here, another smart TV. So if you want to set up at camp, you put the awning out and now you make it into your very own drive-in movie, watch what you want, stream what you want, smart TV on the 32B. Batteries and breakers, pet tie down. So if you do travel with your pets, you can just run the leash down there and make sure that they stay with you at camp. But you know you're going to bring plenty of nice dog treats with you, right? They're not going to want to go anywhere. And the powerful Ford V8 7.3 liter. There are the cameras that are integrated in the mirrors that we were talking about. This is everything you need for great family vacations. It is the 2025 Resonate 32B. You want to build your own? Want the MSRP? You can find all the information and more at thormotorcoach.com.